Good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Jonalyn El Piedad. I'm 29 years old from Lambayong, Sultan Kudarat, Mindanao, Philippines. I'm married. I have 3 daughters. I have work experience in Kuwait as a DH. I serve one couple and they have a one daughter. She is a 1 year and 2 months. My work and their family is take care the baby, cleaning all around the house, cooking, wash the clothes, wash the dishes, and ironing. And I'm willing also to how to cook any kind of food and recipes. Please choose me as your house worker. Thank you.